Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs for Revolve under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Revolve experience. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Revolve? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your login info is safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get disconnected from Revolve with your IP exposed. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track how or where you use Revolve. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for Revolve. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Revolve because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of scams or fake Revolve deals, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect with friends for a super secure, custom Revolve session. The one small negative? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, phone, and tablet all at once while using Revolve. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Revolve user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a pledge, it's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for Revolve users. And for anyone dealing with slow or interrupted Revolve streams, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy for the lowest possible ping. This can help route your data for a potential boost in speed. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that lower ping. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for Revolve? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means fewer interruptions and smoother Revolve performance. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady connection times using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found its performance can vary, with speeds that fluctuate depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if speed is your top priority, you want to avoid buffering during Revolve sessions, or you want the best all-around VPN with the most features. Go with IPVanish if you have a ton of devices or a whole household using Revolve. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused Revolve user who needs evidence to back up claims. Its open source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for Revolve. See you soon.